Hi guys, welcome back to our GIS tutorial. So today video is about how to install QGIS on Windows. So first we discuss the system requirements. Operating system Windows 10 or later, 64 bits, processor 1 GHz. So minimum RAM 4 GB but recommended 8 GB for better performance. Storage minimum at 1 GB of available disk space. Graphics OpenGL 2.0 capable graphics card for rendering, but it's optional. So now we open the Google Chrome, go to search QGIS. Okay, click on the first link, click on the download button. Now click on skip it to go to download. Click on the long-term version for Windows 3.34. Now downloading is started. Downloaded it. Now open the folder. Double click on the downloaded file. Again, now the installer is open. Okay, now it's computing space requirements. Wait for it. And click on next. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next button. If you want to change the directory, install directory, so you change it from here. Okay, so for me it's fine, so I click on next button, click on install. Now wait for it. Okay, so the installation is complete. Click on the finish button. Okay, so click on search, write QGIS desktop. So this is the icon, click on it. First time it will take some time, so wait for it. In our coming videos we discuss all the tools, each and every function we will discuss. So in this video we just see the toolbar, like this is the toolbar. Click on raster, there is analysis tool, inspect field, no data, grid moving, projection, assign projection, extract projection, instructions, clip raster by extent, conversion from raster to polygon or polygon to raster. So this is the area where the map is showing. Left sidebar, this is the toolbar, minimize, zoom out, zoom in, open data source, etc. So this is our installation tutorial on Windows, and that's it. So you have successfully installed and set up the QGIS on your Windows. So stay tuned for our next video, where we will dive into importing data, creating layers, and performing basic spatial analysis. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.